First, we have to establish a connection between Origins and ZWCAD. For doing that, we need to click on Activate in ZWCAD and then Connect. For doing that in Origins, we need to press on the 4CAD button, and usually we will be working only with the 3D point in order to transfer the information. Then there are the lock and fix axis options. When using lock axis, for example lock Z, it will lock the specific coordinate to 0. In this example, we draw a couple of lines with the lock Z axis option on, and all the lines that were created are they will be drawn at elevation or height 0. So for creating lines, we need to pick 2 points on each line. And now, after creating them, we can check what the elevation is, and as you can see, star Z and Z are at 0. The other option is to fix axis. So again, taking the example of fixing the Z coordinate, it will fix the selected coordinate to the coordinate of the first point picked. So for example, when fixing the Z axis, the lines will have the height or the elevation of the first picked point. So again, creating lines by picking 3D points, and then at the end we can again check what's the coordinate of the first picked point, and then what is the height of these created lines. And as you can see, star Z and Z is the same for all the lines created as the first picked point.